How to satellite map view on Google Map Android. Hello everyone, I am here to guide you how you can satellite map view on Google Map Android. So if you want to satellite the map on your Google Map view Android, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to navigate to your map here on your device. Go and open up your Google Maps here. So just click on the search bar. So first of all, you have to open up your Google Maps here. So once you have opened up your Google Maps on your device, and you have to use the search bar to enter the address here. You have to find your location of the area here. And after that, if you want to switch to satellite view, you have to tap the layers icon located at the top right corner of the map. So it looks like the two square stacks. Here you can see that you have to just click on that. Once you have clicked on that, a menu will appear showing different map styles, and you have to select the satellite to switch to the satellite view. Simply click on the satellite view, and after that you have to go back, and here you can see and explore the satellite map. So the map will now display a satellite view on your selected location. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily set the satellite map view on your Google Map by using your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.